Hi, my name is Ranjan Mujumdar. After a long day, I am starting to make a new video. Today I will explain the concept of figure, fig caption, block quote, EM, cite, italic and div and their usages. In this video I will try to explain these elements using global attributes. The first element is figure. At first you all have to know what is figure. Figure is an element by which an HTML developer can add the author picture, author quotation and the caption of the figure. So figure is a container where an HTML developer can add an image of an author using image tag, can quote a text taken from another source using block quote element and the name of the author. So let us start the tutorial. At first I am opening Visual Studio Code. I am saving it, file, new file. I am saving it in desktop. I have already created a folder named HTML. I am giving the HTML name as demo. I am saving it. So the first element is figure. Suppose figure element can be used in two different ways. Suppose you are going to develop an web page for botany students, and in this web page you need to add few images of flowers and their title. What should you do? You need to add figure images as well as fig caption. So at first I am using image tag. So the flower name is chompa.1.png, width 200. Width is the attribute of image tag, height 200. You can add alt. Alt is an attribute of image tag, chompa flower. I am using another figure element just below of the previous picture, and sunflower 1.png. In both these cases I am changing the alt to sunflower. Step by step I am explaining the figure element. Now I am opening the web page. You can see there are two images. So image tag is in figure element. It is an empty tag because there is the closing tag of image. So image tag is basically an empty tag. Now if I want to write the title of an image, then in that case you have to use fig caption. So what is fig caption? Figure 1.1. Fig caption figure 1.2. In our textbooks the title is written below of a picture. So what is the usage of fig caption? Fig caption is basically used to write down the title of an image. I am saving it. I am refreshing it. You can see the figure 1.1 and figure 1.2. So to write down the title of a picture or of an image, we use fig caption. This is the first way to use fig caption. Now I am explaining how can we use fig caption in another way. So I am erasing the entire code. I am going to rewrite the code of figure. At the beginning I said figure is a combination of three elements. One is image, two is block quote. Block quote means the quotation which is taken from another source, and third is name of the author. At first I am taking an image of an author, image source Bill Gates, width equals to 200, height equals to 200, and alt equals to Bill Gates picture. What is the function of alt? Suppose this Bill Gates picture, suppose there is an error in root or in path, then in that case Bill Gates picture will not show. So in that case alt, that means that text will be visible. So the function of alt is to show the text if the picture is not found, or the picture path, if there is an error in picture path. Here I can use global attribute. In my previous tutorial I explained what is global attributes and how, in which places global attributes are used. So I am using global attribute, style global attribute, style. I am using another property, I am using an important property, border radius 100 px. What is the function of border radius? You can see if I refresh this, that means Bill Gates picture is within a circle. Now suppose I want to show the quotation of Bill Gates. What should I do? In this case I am using an element named block quote. Patience is a key element of success is the quotation of Bill Gates. That is the reason I am pasting it within block quote. So what is the block quote? Block quote is a text taken from another source. So this is the quotation of Bill Gates. That is the reason I have copied and pasted the statement within block quote. In my previous figure example, I have shown the usage of fig caption, and I am showing another way of using fig caption. Here I am writing the author name. So if I refresh it, this is showing the quotation form and this is showing the author name also. Suppose I intentionally do a mistake. I am writing here Bill Gates 1. So Bill Gates 1 is not present in this path. If I save it and refresh it, you can see the alt form, Bill Gates picture. So alt is basically used if there is any mistake in path, there is an error in path, then alt form will show or alt text will be visible. Suppose I am trying to move the entire figure in the middle of the document, then what should I do? In this case I am using the global attribute style text align colon center. Remember, these all are CSS properties, text align, border radius, these all are CSS property. In my upcoming video I will explain entire CSS properties, but till now you just try to understand this. What is the function of text align? Text align basically move the entire element into the middle of a document. Now if I save it and refresh it, you can see the entire element or entire content has been shifted out at the middle or at the center of the document. Now in block code I want to move the shifted out the caption at the right side of the document. Then what should I do? What shall I do? I am writing style text align right. So you can see the author name has been shifted out at the right side of the document. Now I am again using another element, that is div. So what is div? Div is basically a container where you can add any element, where you can encapsulate any element. So here I am using a div, and here I am using the global attribute style width colon 350 px, height colon 350 ps. By default its color is the color of document, so nothing is visible now. An HTML user or a front-end developer can change the background color of a div. Here I am using red color. If I refresh it, you can see the color has been changed. By this way you can change the color. An HTML user or a front-end developer can change the color of a div. If I copy the entire portion, cut the entire portion and paste it within the div, then you can see at first you have seen Bill Gates is right aligned. Name of the author has been shifted out at the right side of the document. I have created a div with 350 px height and width, so Bill Gates should be within the div. Now if I refresh it, then you can see Bill Gates is within the div. Few minutes before I used text align colon center as style in figure. I am deleting it and I am writing text align colon center in a style in div to move the entire div at the center of the document. No, sorry, it is not moving because the function of text align is to move the content at the center of the div. So in that case I have to use margin colon 0 auto. So margin colon 0 auto, the function of margin colon 0 auto is to shift or move the entire div at the center of the document. Now I am erasing the color, background color, and keeping the background color as the color of the document. Now you can see. So this is the way to create an web page. I am watching the demo Later I will discuss the tutorial of CSS, then I will discuss the JavaScript. After that I will discuss how to form an web page. In this tutorial I have explained the figure element. I have also explained image block code fig caption, which are basically used within figure. I explained the usage of div, where div is basically a container where the content is figure. Sorry, in this example, in this tutorial, the content is figure. An HTML user or a front-end developer can use different type of content within a div, because I have already said the div is basically used as a container which can hold or which can encapsulate multiple elements within a div. A div can hold multiple div or multiple elements. So this is the end of this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please press the like button. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, please leave a comment. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe my channel and send the video to your colleagues and friends. Thank you.